Okay, guys, for the next set, we're gonna practice yes, she did, no, she didn't. Yes, he did, no, he didn't. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Did your mom make miso soup last night? Did your mom make miso soup last night?
Yes, she did.
Did your sister do her homework yesterday? Did your sister do her homework yesterday?
Yes, she did.
Did your dad clean the house yesterday? Did your dad clean the house yesterday?
Yes, he did.
Did your grandpa go abroad last year? Did your grandpa go abroad last year?
No, he didn't.
Did your brother watch a movie last night? Did your brother watch a movie last night?
No, he didn't.
Did your grandma play golf last week? Did your grandma play golf last week?
Yes, she did.
Did your dad drive a car to work this morning? Did your dad drive a car to work this morning?
Yes, he did.
Did your mom buy vegetables at the supermarket yesterday? Did your mom buy vegetables at the supermarket yesterday?
No, she didn't.
Did your friend call you last night? Did your friend call you last night?
No, he didn't.
Did your teacher go to karaoke last week? Did your teacher go to karaoke last week?
Yes, he did.
Good job. Very good, guys. Great job.